Daily Bible verse for today is Psalms chapter 37, verses 4 to 5. Let me tell you why. Have you ever wondered what it means to delight yourself in the Lord? Well, Psalms 37, verses 4 to 5 tells us exactly that. Delight yourself in the Lord, and he will give you the desires of your heart. Commit your ways to the Lord and trust in him, and he will act. What does it mean to delight in the Lord? It means to find pleasure and enjoy in who he is, to seek him passionately and with all of our hearts. We will delight in the Lord. We develop an intimacy with him that allows us to see his will for our lives. We begin to desire what he desires. We understand that his plans are greater than ours, and we trust him fully. But delighting in the Lord requires commitment and trust. We must commit our ways to him and surrender our will to his. We must trust that he will act on our behalf and give us the desires of our hearts. So today, let us choose to delight in the Lord. Let us commit our ways to him and to trust in him fully. And may we see the fruits of his promise in our lives. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. God bless you. God bless your family. And I'll see you in the next video.